Hey, hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 15 Beta 2 and this is a preview video, so before hitting that dislike button, just watch this video, alright? Just finish the video and then dislike it even if you want to, alright? Let's get right into this video. So Apple is expected to release the beta 2 of iOS 15 in next 2 weeks. In my opinion, they will release it in the first week of July, or even if they will release it before July, I would expect them releasing it next week. Not this week, but next week. I expect them doing the iOS 14.7 RC next week or maybe this week, and then finish off the iOS 14.7, release the 14.7 to public, because apparently a lot of people are having battery drain on 14.6. So release it in like next 1 week or so, and I expect them doing this. Even if they will release the beta 2 before July, they will do it like next week or maybe in next like 1.5 week. But for sure, I do expect them, the most probability is that they will release it alongside the public beta. Well, I've been using the beta 1 on my iPhones for a couple of days now, over a week now, and my experience have been pretty darn amazing. It is really stable, the update is really good, but the only issue, that a major issue it is on pretty much all devices, right? It is the battery issue, it is battery drain, and obviously it's a beta 1, so it is expected, but I would expect Apple to release the beta 2 with some battery fixes, like at least make it a bit better on devices like iPhone 7, 10R and 6s, right? Because 6s is supported too, so yeah, we gotta just mention that device too real quick. Though in terms of performance, people who are asking me how is the performance going on for you, it's been over a week on your iPhone 11, 10R and all those devices, here is my follow-up. Performance on my 10R have been amazing for me, and pretty much all devices except like the iPhone 7, it really gets warm while using the iPhone 7 on beta 1. I mean, still the performance is alright. I'd rate it like it's decent. The performance on iPhone 7, it's decent. Then talking about my iPhone 12, obviously it is the latest device, latest and the greatest, so obviously the A14 chip ain't gonna disappoint, and the A14 chip on the iPhone 12 is really fast, right? And iPhone OS 15 is running amazing on it. Yeah, it kind of sounds weird when I say iPhone OS 15, right? I'll say it iOS, alright. So, well, I can't believe I'm addressing this, but apparently it does not matter that if you update your device, the battery health goes down or battery health goes up. It does not really matter. Even if you won't update your device, the battery is affected by the degradation. So yes, I wanted to address these things because I have got a lot of questions about it on my Twitter at the rate tech hype. You can follow me there, and on my Instagram too, but I am really active on Twitter. And yes, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we are really close. I just can't believe it. We are so close to 8,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. It means a lot to me, and I'm pretty sure if you're going to subscribe to this channel, you are gonna get some value about your device. Peace out, and I will meet you all in the very next episode.